Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on 2020 Pioneer 500. We're going to check this front diff. It's funny, I always wire wheel the caps when I do the diffs just so I can look in there and say, yeah, I did that from the shiny cover. I noticed somebody on this one's got their own little thing going. They got maybe a red bullseye painted on it or something. Alright guys, so you can see where I'm at here. Holy fuck. It was the Hulk. It's 17 mil on this cap. I'll be lucky if I get this off without fucking breaking it. Holy. Yeah. That guy with the fucking bullseye's fired. Yeah, like you just screw this in with your hand and give it a little bump with the wrench. And you can hear she was fucking. She was too tight. Hard to say. Maybe an initial there too. It's not me. It's funny though, the cap's wire wheeled like I would do for sure. Probably serviced it once before maybe. Anyways, diff fluid looks brand new in there. Yeah, no need to stand on the bar or anything. I've seen between these, and they use them as drain plugs on some bikes and valve cover caps on other bikes and that. And I've seen lots of people break them. I can't believe that one didn't break. Okay, so now I'm going to check the rear diff. And that's reasonable. It says D something for sure. If you're the red guy, let us know. Yeah, nice new float, looks good. Yes, that's that.